Welcome to this video. Today we're installing the Airlift. What is it? The 3H? 3H kit on a 09 G37S. Yeah, the car's back. This car is very famous on this channel, right? So check it out. So again, all the parts ready. We have the air tank and everything opened up. All the pieces, getting it prepped. Now we're gonna find out where we're gonna mount this stuff. Stay tuned. Gotta bring out the vet real quick. To get this unloaded. So we got one compressor. Those with bolts and stuff. Don't lose them.
Looks like this one is this one didn't come with another one.
Same thing as in the Sylvia kit. We got the hardware kit for all the fuses and connectors you're gonna use. Comes with the cutter for the line, the manifold, and the controller. So that's what's in this box. The other box has your compressor, and then the other box comes with the harness and the lines, the air lines, and all the hardware that you're gonna need. Gotta pull hard up on it to get it out. Look that up on YouTube, right?
Hell yeah, dude.
So now we're gonna sneak the wires through. They gotta come to they gotta come this way, up to the battery, right there.
Weight reduction, bro.
Weight reduction. All right, we're removing the trunk pieces out of the vehicle. Gotta vacuum this joint. So, what's up, bro?
What's up?
So this is getting torn down. And we're moving along. Okay, so I ran the positive and negative wire through there, out through the back seat that we took out. And then I just ran it through here for now. And I fed some of that line from the Airlift through there, and I fed it through this area right here where the battery is. I'll show you that now. Right through there. Took that out, shoved that through there. Now I'm gonna tape it to that, pull up, and get the wiring to come up here. There. Now let's see if it works. Let's see if it works, guys. So, pull it up. Ta-da! It came right with it. So now we can run a wire to the battery. All right. So what we did, we passed the cable through here into the rubber to the harness, so it can be, everything go back to stock. And then we're gonna just tape off where we went through that, make it fresh. All right, so I cut out a piece of the cup holder, the one that's up front, to mount this controller on there. It's gonna have the closing tray and everything, pretty fresh. Stay tuned for more. All right, so here's how the controller's gonna go. I think it looks pretty fresh, and this actually works. So when it's closed, you don't see it, and when you open it, you have your air ride controller, and you have a cup holder. Still got to finish it up, but it looks fresh. Putting it back together, show you the finished product. You guys can judge my work. All right, so this is the finished product on the air ride controller. Boom. no tomo.
Ya no estamos
So.
haciendo, hermano.
That's how it looks. Alright, so we installed, well, we didn't install, but we made this wooden cover right there to mount the air rod, as you saw earlier. Did the center console, and I'm just gonna keep going, but it's gonna look fresh. Alright, so we removed the suspension from the front, ready to put the airbags in. So these are the front ones. We just removed the fronts so far, and we're moving on to the back. It's just coming along. All right, so we mounted one of the bags into the rear where the spring used to be. Now routed them this way, so we can just route them to the hole we drew. We might pass them underneath here, underneath the shield to give protection. And that's how we mounted it onto the top. How it comes with these, I forgot what they're called, but they like, it's like a knot. You know, you squeeze it and it stays there. So, and then you drill a hole here also in the middle to mount it up. Like in this side, like that. So you see that one up there and that one down here. So it mounts on there, so it's secure, doesn't move around. Another view right here, mounted up top there, bottom. So that's how you start. And on this side we're installing the extra shock on there. That's it. All right, so we got the fronts installed. The fronts are installed. And we put new tie rod ends. Some SPL parts. This is for more angle, drift jaunt. So that's the front, that's the right front. And this is the left front. You know? So that's how you install it. Yeah. Boom. All right, so here we got so far all the bags installed. All the bags are installed, and now we're getting ready to set up the tank. Set up the tank, which is right there. So that's what we're doing now. All right, so we ran all the hoses. Now we're about to wire up the air compressor and mount everything up. All right, so we wired up the compressor, we hooked it up, and now we're installing this piece down here, mounting it on, install the drain, and this goes to the manifold, to that manifold. So we're gonna put this and hook it up right here. The plug's gonna plug in there, and everything else is gonna hook up right there to hide as much as we can and make it look clean. Best part of it all, controller hidden spot. Yeah, boy. Yep. All right, so she's tucking. We're just calibrating the system. Everything's hooked up. I like it. Self-calibrating. Alright, so now we're testing how the car's gonna look. It's all tucked in. It's looking fresh. Now I gotta put the bumper on. That's slammed. Fresh fitment. So now we're airing her up. Go ahead. Click it fast. We're here with my boy Andres. Follow him on Andres G37S and Instagram. Show him your air ride controller, bro. That's just custom. Boom. You would never know this car had air ride if we didn't tell you. Oh boy. So clean. So clean but dirty. So clean but dirty. So there's the airlift. We're not done yet. We just gotta still get some flooring and stuff. But clean setup so far. All right. Air down all the way. Boom. Slammed. Just how you guys like it. Slammed. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Peace.